Most mornings don't start, they just happen. Alarm, phone, scroll, and suddenly it's afternoon and you've reacted to everything but chosen nothing. That's autopilot, and your brain is wired for it. Here's how to break out in 2 minutes. Before you touch your phone, ask 3 questions. 1. What do I need today? Not what you should want, what you actually need. Water, a walk, 15 minutes of quiet. 2. What matters today? Pick one thing. The thing that, if it got done, would make the day count even if everything else fell apart. 3. What can wait? This is the one people skip. Give something permission to wait. The inbox, the text back, the project. Draining that fake urgency is what gives your real priorities room to breathe. Anchor these questions to your first coffee so you actually remember. Say them out loud. Don't grade yourself. This won't feel like fireworks. It's more like turning the wheel 1 degree. Barely noticeable today, but a week from now, you're pointed somewhere completely different. 2 minutes, 3 questions. That's how you take the day back. If this helped, do 2 things. Hit like and subscribe. Small actions, remember? That's how change sticks.